It's snowing.
Are you coming over here?
Yeah.
What's up, guys? This is me and Balin. We're back. It poured the snow at our house. It's like a winter wonderland out here. Yeah. So what we're gonna do, we have some fireworks left over from the 4th, and we're gonna try to set these bad boys off out in the snow. We're gonna get Balin to stand behind this tree over here. Maybe. And then we're gonna set them off over here and see how it goes. It should be pretty. And then look at Daisy. Daisy, she's been eating the snow. She's playing. She's having a good time. Okay, here we go. Let's see how this goes. Okay, we're about to set it up. Balin's over by the tree. Look how deep the snow is. Phew. I'm gonna try to bury this. Oop. There it went. We're gonna light this up. I'm gonna cover it with snow. Oh no, it's not gonna work. Oh, come on. I can't set the wick on fire. Or the little... Oh, I got it! Now get behind the tree, Balin! Oh! Hopefully we got a good shot of that. Did it? Yeah. Look at all the smoke.
Oh, look at that. Blow it away.
Okay, I'm gonna try another.
Look at all that.
Do what? Oh, it blew up. Okay, I'm just gonna throw it right there and try to see how this thing goes. Wait, let me aim it this way just in case. You back? Here we go, let's see what it does. These aren't that great. Go ahead, go look at the damage. Go check it out, man.
Whoa.
There's a lot of smoke.
Oh.
Yeah, there's no snow. It's all grass now. Smoky grass. I'm gonna light 2 of them. Okay, this time we've got 3 of them, and then we're gonna run over there. Let's see how this goes. Come on, baby, light up. Okay, got him. Get behind the tree, Balin. Get behind the tree. What? Oh. Okay, let's light up the last 6 of them all at once. Is there 7? Ooh. Let's light them all up. What do you think? Huh? Yeah. Let's tie them all together and just light them up. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, what?
Let's put the cardboard.
Put the cardboard over there?
Yeah.
Bring it over.
So it can like start a fire.
Well, yeah, it'll go out pretty quick with all the snow. All right, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. Balin said it was 7, but it's only 6. It's okay. We're gonna twist these up. Set the cardboard down. We're gonna set these on the cardboard, and we're gonna light them up. That's my sound effect for the fireworks. They're actually like. Do I? You get behind that tree. You can get behind that close one. These aren't that bad. Okay. I'm gonna light this up. Here they are, all twisted together. I'll run over there behind the tree with you. Okay. Here we go. Oh, that was cool.
Another hole over here.
Did it? Oh yeah, it shot over there, didn't it?
I said, I'm gonna go check this thing.
I wish we had better fireworks.
I'm gonna check this thing.
That's okay.
Oh, wait.
This is cardboard. Yeah, I think it went over there, man.
Only one. That will happen. I had a huge explosion.
What'd you think about that?
I like it.
It's pretty cool. We'll have to get some bigger ones for next year, won't
Yeah.
we?
One time, I'm gonna go look over here.
Let's go check it out.
Let's go. Oh!
Looks like a tiny battlefield.
Oh, cool, that car. You got burned. Wait, one disappeared.
Yeah, we better grab this cardboard.
One disappeared, man.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, there's no
It's blown to bits.
One.
All right, well, I guess that's it. That's only fireworks we have, but thanks for checking out the video. Right, man?
Yeah.
We'll see you guys. Okay, one last little bit. Here's the trampoline. We're kind of trying to jump on it in slow motion, right, man?
Yeah.
We'll see how that goes.
I jumped up there. He kind of like
Let's go.
But I made
Okay, go. Hurry. What are you doing?
It's really hard. There's so much snow.
Oh. Oh my gosh. This thing is like a big pool. Frozen pool or something. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Oh. I thought it would do better than this. This kind of sucks. It's all going to the middle. This is dry. Oh, Daisy went up here. Daisy. Come on, Daisy. Come on. Come on, Daisy. Oh. It's hard to jump, man.
Yeah.
Oh, it snow's weighing us down. I'm out of here. Oh.
Hey, Matt.
Hey, Balin. Hey, Daisy.
Present.
Daisy,
Look.
Daisy.
This. Cock-a-doodle-doo, Daisy. Oh. Oh, no.
I'm out of here. Ah, now my hand is freezing. I wish I wouldn't have even done that. Yeah, my shoes are iced over. I'm going inside.
Okay.
Love you.